Want to turn your free time into cash? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience needed. Whether you're a beginner or looking to add a new skill, these are perfect for you. Let's get started. First up is translation services. If you're fluent in more than one language, you can turn that skill into a profitable online business. Businesses and individuals are always looking for translators to help them communicate across languages. You can start by offering translation services for documents, websites, or even subtitles for videos. Many clients pay 20 to 50 per hour, depending on the language pair and the complexity of the project. To get started, create a profile on platforms like ProZ or Django, or reach out to businesses that operate in multiple countries. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Next is branding and identity design. Every business needs a strong brand to stand out, and if you have a knack for design, this skill is perfect for you. As a branding designer, you'll create logos, color schemes, and visual identities that help businesses connect with their audience. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva, which are great for creating professional designs. Many clients pay $100 to $500 per project, depending on the scope and your experience. To stand out, focus on understanding your clients' goals and creating designs that reflect their values. You can find work on platforms like 99 Designs or Behance, or by networking with small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Third is 3D modeling and animation. With the rise of video games, movies, and virtual reality, 3D artists are in high demand. As a 3D modeler, you'll create realistic models and animations for various industries. Start by learning software like Blender or Autodesk Maya, which are widely used in the industry. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per hour, depending on the complexity of the project. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out to game developers and animation studios. With a bit of practice, you can build a portfolio and attract higher-paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy creating and want to tap into a growing industry. Fourth is email marketing. Businesses rely on email campaigns to connect with their customers and drive sales. If you can write compelling emails and manage subscriber lists, you'll be in high demand. Start by learning platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit, which are easy to use and perfect for beginners. Many companies pay $25 to $100 per hour for email marketing services, depending on the complexity of the campaigns. To stand out, focus on learning about automation, copywriting, and analytics. You can find clients on freelance platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to small businesses directly. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Finally, let's talk about flyers and posters design. Businesses and event organizers are always looking for eye-catching designs to promote their products or events. As a flyer and poster designer, you'll create visuals that grab attention and drive action. Start by learning tools like Adobe InDesign or Canva, which are great for creating professional designs. Many clients pay $20 to $100 per design, depending on the complexity and your experience. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or reach out to local businesses that need promotional materials. With a bit of practice, you can build a portfolio and attract higher-paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy designing and want to help businesses grow. And there you have it, 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online fast. Whether you choose translation services, branding and identity design, 3D modeling and animation, email marketing, or flyers and posters design, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Start small, keep learning, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.